students, welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the question number 5 of exercise 7.1 of chapter 7 of class 12 CBSE NCERT. So in the question we need to find out the antiderivative or the integral of the following by method of inspection. Okay, so the expression which is given to us is sine 2x minus 4e to the power 3x. So it is having two functions. The first function is sine 2x and the second function is 4e to the power 3x, e to the power 3x. Exponential function is the second function. So we will be taking the functions one by one. So firstly we will be doing for this and then we will be doing for exponential function. So in the first part, in the first function we are having sine 2x. So we already know if we integrate the derivative of any function, we get that function itself. Okay, so let us think how we can get the sine 2x for derivating. If we do derivation of some function, so how we can get sine 2x? So if we take the function to be y is equals to cos 2x, so d over dx of cos 2x, we will be getting sine 2x. Okay, we will be getting sine 2x, but with the negative sign. Because the derivative of cos 2x is sine cos x is sine x with a negative sign. Okay, and then the 2x, then we will be doing the derivative of 2x, so it will be minus sine 2x into 2. Okay, so derivative of cos 2x is minus sine 2x into 2, but we need to find out for the first function of the expression, we need to find out for sine 2x. So 2 and minus sign can go that side over there. So d over dx of cos 2x with minus 1 by 2, we can get over here sine 2x. So the antiderivative of sine 2x is cos 2x upon 2 with a negative sign, because we have already seen if we do the integration over here, integrating both sides, if we do, then here we will be getting integration of 1 upon 2 d over dx of cos 2x, which will be equal to integration of sine 2x. So the antiderivative of sine 2x, we can easily say it is with a negative sign, minus cos 2x upon 2, Okay, so this we have found out for the first function of the expression. Okay, now for the second function of the expression, we will be taking y equal to e to the power 3x. Okay, so d over dx of e to the power 3x will give us to be equal to e to the power 3x into 3. With the chain rule, when we will be integrating 3x, so we will be getting 3. But in the expression, we can easily see that we are having 4 over here. So we will be multiplying and dividing by 4. We will be multiplying and dividing by 4. Now the expression for which we need to find out the antiderivative by the method of inspection will be 4e to the power 3x. So e to the power 3x into 4. So this is the expression for which the antiderivative has to be found out. Okay, so this 3 and 4, this 3 is in multiplication, it will go to that side with the division, and this 4 is in division over here. When it will go to that side, it will go with the multiplication. So here we will be getting 4 by 3 d over dx e to the power 3x is equal to 4 e to the power 3x. Okay, so this we have got now. This we have got now. So when we will be integrating both sides, integrating both sides, so we will be getting over here 4 by 3. We can take, they are constant, so we can take them outside. D over dx of e to the power 3x will be equal to 4 e to the power 3x. So ultimately we will be left over here e to the power 3x upon 4, 3 is equals to 4 e to the power 3x. Okay, sorry, it is 4 upon 3. Okay, so let us say this is first and let us say this is second. So from 1 into antiderivative of, so from 1 into antiderivative of the whole expression sine 2x minus 4 e to the power 3x will be minus cos 2x upon 2, combining both, okay, 1 and 2, plus 4 e to the power 3x upon 3. Okay, so the antiderivative of sine 2x minus 4 to the power 4 e to the power 3x will be minus cos 2x upon 2 plus 4 e to the power 3x upon 3. So what we did basically, we this was the whole expression given to us. We divided into two functions. We divided it into two functions. Okay, we are having a negative sign over here. Okay, so here it will come negative. Negative sign is between them both. So here it will come negative because we have done for the positive, but when there will be a negative sign will also come. So negative sign, as it is, I am putting this negative sign over here between the two functions. So antiderivative of sine 2x will be minus cos 2x upon 2 and antiderivative of 4 e to the power 3x will be 4 e to the power 3x upon 3, and this negative sign is already for the expression of the negative sign. If here also we would have got a sign negative, then this negative and negative would have become positive. Okay, so in this manner we need to do such type of questions. Okay, so thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.